Happy Merdeka Day, Malaysia. So today and tomorrow, we Malaysians are not allowed to fly drones because the celebrations are about. So what we're going to do today is just fly on the similar Liftoff in the Bandar City doing the Trippy spin, but we're also going to practice the Trippy rewind. So what I give is a little bit oomph at the end and then reverse. So now I'm going clockwise, previously it was counterclockwise. So basically previously I put the sticks together, now I'm pulling the sticks apart. Of course you have to control throttle so that you don't fall out of the sky and keep the subject in the middle of the frame. Okay, okay, alright, so let's try another subject and let's try the crane. Alright, now I'm going counterclockwise. Right, pulling six apart and now pulling six together. Okay, going clockwise. Alright, making me dizzy. Okay, that's enough. Let's do a Maddie. Alright, so Selamat Hari Merdeka to all Malaysians. Hopefully everybody's well with their families and friends on a holiday tomorrow. So again, Happy Independence Day, Selamat Hari Merdeka.